So the clock, right now guys, it's 8:20. At 8:50-ish, we're not going to kill you. We want to try to be in the line.
Hey, stay out of my car. Don't touch my stuff. Terrible. She's awful. Okay. Good luck, suckers.
Honestly, I feel like we're just trying to survive right now. So if we survive and stuff ends up tasting good, I'll feel like we've accomplished something. Of course, we probably should be talking trash about how we're going to win it, but this is daunting. And I'm just glad that we're all here having a good time, and there's a good energy in the room. And I think it's going to be a really fun event, and I'm glad everyone's here checking us out.
I'll just take the skin right here.
This was a long day. I hope you guys had as much fun as we did. It was awesome. What we have for you guys actually as a thank you is we have a little bit of an apron here for you guys for the inaugural Chop Chef. Well, we're trying it, thanks. But all of you guys, thanks for making the first one of these really special. I think it was an amazing event, and I appreciate all you guys being here. Thank you so much for helping.
Kevin Hamley, ladies and gentlemen, Kevin Hamley.